Good morning to you all. It's Sunday the 23rd of February. This is Platinum Trading Academy and welcome to our Trade of the Week video. Before I start with the charts, to be fair, it was a disappointing and a largely frustrating certainly start and middle to the week, but with patience and discipline we did manage to turn things around by the end of the week. So I'll show you obviously charts in due course, but for any new viewers out there, this is what we call our trading floor. Our clients have lifetime access to this. This is where they come on a daily basis. There's got plenty of news articles on it, obviously of anything affecting the FX markets. We provide our clients daily chart analysis. These are goods for the week. They're replaced every Monday. Then we also have what we call our important trading zones of the day. These are areas of the market we expect a bounce, a reversal in the markets. These numbers here, they're flagged up, I'll show you in a sec, on our algorithm. Then as I scroll down, we have for the 5 major pairs that we put our analysis out on, which is the yen, euro, pound, kiwi and Aussie. You've got fundamental news as well as the charts there, plenty of information there. So without further ado, as I said to you at the start of this video, it was pretty obviously we had the coronavirus affecting the yen and obviously the ongoing trade war between the US and Japan. That's why you're finding Aussie and then obviously Kiwi tanking on the back of that. But anyway, I don't want to talk about that. I want to talk about the yen. We did have a trade earlier on the week. We do talk about our losses here. We did get stopped out. I think it was Tuesday or Wednesday, but didn't panic. And I want to talk about first trade on the pound. As I say, so the start of the week obviously was a bank holiday on Monday. Took a little bit for volume to come back to the markets. And in midweek, obviously, we did have the FOMC. But anyway, let's concentrate on the pound. So I want you to concentrate first of all on this first blue support and demand channel, around about 2975/50. Okay, so come in there. So let's go to the chart. Okay, so that was that zone there, and you may at first glance think obviously it blasted through. That was on Wednesday with the FOMC, but look, I want you to look at this on Tuesday with a trading opportunity. So I'll go intraday, put it on the H1, and you'll be able to see it more clearly. That's not it. There we go. So it was on the 18th, which I believe was Tuesday. It hit there 2975, and it reversed some 70, 80 pips, 75, 80 pips. Yeah, so that was a pretty nice intraday move and reversal in the market. I'll show you on the algorithm how that played out. There we go. So that was on Tuesday the 18th. As you can see, it was in a buy sort of area. Me, to be honest with you, I was waiting on about 2850, so I never got filled, but fair play to one of our clients that obviously a bit more aggressive than I was and took that trade there. So one that I really want to talk about was on the Wednesday. As I said, we obviously had FOMC Wednesday night UK time. I did actually take a trade around about that 2850 in the afternoon on the Wednesday. Maybe I should have waited, obviously it was FOMC and I got absolutely blasted, to be fair, but there you go, kept me composure, I never panicked. The next day, before I show you this, let's go back to the trading floor. Okay, now I want you to concentrate on this area here. So as you can see, it's pretty decent support and demand area, about 2870 or 2850, 2870, so coming through there. So let's go back to the major chart. Put that back on the daily, and there you go. So it's come into there and it's reversed quite handsomely, hasn't it? And that's where I took my trade. So let me show you on the algorithm. There you go. So I actually got filled at about 2855, which is in this vicinity here. But just before that, I just wanted to show you the importance of knowing your fundamental news analysis. Okay, so in the morning, the cable was absolutely tanking. In my eyes, there was no reason for it to tank, and I'll show you. Let's go to Forex Factory and I'll show you my thinking there, guys. There you go. So Thursday the 20th, Great Britain pound, we had retail sales it was good numbers, 0.9% over the forecast 0.7. So that gave me the confidence to take that trade at my perceived level around about 2,850, which was in here. Okay, so held it overnight. Wasn't much going on, was there? I'm not a great lover of trading on a Friday, but new trades anyhow. But obviously involved, I still held that overnight. And then let's go back to the Forex factory. So on Friday, there you go, Friday the 21st. There you go, 9:30 in the morning. Flash manufacturing, PMI, Great Britain pounds. Again, really good numbers, strong numbers, 51.9 over the 49.7. So, and then obviously enhanced my trade. There you go, and she took off. Yeah, I exited out around about early afternoon with some really nice profit. So that was a really nice end to the week. Okay, but it doesn't end there. Let's go back to the floor. Right, not the Aussie. Okay, let's come out of there. Right, let's go to the Euro this time. Okay, so from the start of the year, any of you trade the Euro, obviously it's been absolutely annihilated, hasn't it? And that's extenuated the last few weeks. Yeah, it's just been coming down, 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 down. But I want you to concentrate on this important support and demand area, about 0770 stroke 0800. So that was a pretty strong level we had flagged up for our clients. Obviously this was last Monday. Again, let's have a look how this played out. Right, let's have a look at the Euro. There you go, guys. Look, it came in there, hung on about for a couple of days, didn't it? And then pretty much exploded on Friday. That same area, 0770, 0800. So that was a nice trade again. I was long there. Let's show you that on the on our algorithm. Let's go to the Euro. There you go. So I took my position on the buy zone on the Thursday. Again, it sort of didn't really do much, did it? It sort of went up, down, sideways, and then overnight again I was contemplating maybe coming out of there. I would have probably come out there with a small loss or a little bit of profit or break even had their news on the German and French on Friday morning be negative again. But anyway, so let's have a look, see how that played out. Let's go back to the Forex factory. Let's go. This is on the Friday, guys. Yeah. So look, 8:15 in the morning. Euro French flash services PMI again, strong numbers, 52.6 over the 51.4, and then a quarter of an hour later, German flash manufacturing PMI 47.8 over 44.8. There was a slightly negative there on the German flash PMI, 53.3 from 53.9. But around 9 o'clock, look, again, positive numbers on flash services PMI and flash manufacturing PMI. As you can see, these green numbers over the forecast. So again, that gave me the confidence to hold my Euro trade, and eventually she got going, didn't she? And again, emptied out of there with some really nice profit taking for the weekend. So guys, I guess the moral to the story is don't panic, and you know, the way we trade, it's very important to be patient and disciplined and wait for the market to come to us. We do teach not just technicals with ourselves, but fundamentals and how we play that. So fundamentals plus technicals to us is the perfect pretty marriage in a setup. So if any of this interests you guys, you can go to our website, platinumtradingacademy.com. There's plenty of features on it. You've got courses, strategies, you've got Forex blog, trading videos, webinars. You can go on the media if you go on the media tab. Let me just show you this quickly. Plenty of articles on there speaking about our company. And then we've actually got some ebooks should you want to, written by ourselves, if FX, also on cryptocurrencies. Just leave all your details there. And just finally, before I go, for any new clients out there watching, thinking about maybe coming on board, if you go onto this free Forex consultation, then one of the member staff will get back to you, answer any questions you have, give you a test drive if you want the system for 1 or 2 days. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.